This is my cell of Spirogyra. The structure of a Spirogyra is very different from the normal plant cell. Let me start off with the outer structure. The outer structure is made of the cell wall, which is 2 layers. It has an inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectin. This outer layer of pectin is constantly dissolved in water, and it makes a mucilage sheath around the cell. Now let's move in a little bit deeper. Right here is the cell wall. The cell membrane. The cell membrane is very important in maintaining the homeostasis of the cell, and it provides structure for all the organelles inside. Now let's move inside. Now right here is the cytoplasm. As you can see, it is very spread out, and it has cytoplasmic strands that stretch across the cell. It's like this because the large central vacuole that holds all the water for the cell needs room. As you can see, it holds the basic organelles such as the mitochondria, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, the nucleus, and the nucleolus. It also holds the free-floating ribosomes. Now, let's get into the interesting part. Right here, as you can see, are chloroplasts. These chloroplasts are ribbon-like, and they spiral around the cell as they go into the cytoplasm and come out. There can be 2 to 10 chloroplasts in a single Spirogyra cell, and each strand has pyrenoids. These pyrenoids are responsible for starch reproduction. Now on to some facts. Each Spirogyra cell is a part of a long unbranched filament which makes up the Spirogyra organism. These cells are almost identical in how similar the structures are. A Spirogyra cell can reproduce vegetatively, sexually, and some species asexually. I found it really interesting because the asexual reproduction of a Spirogyra is actually an adaptation in some species. Another fact is that some people refer to the Spirogyra as pond silk. The Spirogyra can be an essential food source for humans because they provide such a rich source of nutrients, including vitamins A and E. And this is my special cell. Now you can see some close-up shots of my cell. If you look closely, it can show you each organelle and how they look. Thank you. This is my project.